HARTING is mostly associated with connectors, but we can do more than that. The designing and development of customized solutions is also a scope of our work. In the area of railway, we are, for example, talking about jumper cables, as you see behind on the screen. Due to the decreasing space between the wagon walls, we have to find solutions which are very space-saving, and therefore we developed some solutions in the past. Can you show us some, Malte?
Yes, Louise. Yes, as you mentioned, the space between the coaches becomes smaller and smaller to increase the space in the wagons, to keep the overall train length. So what must be done to comply with the bending radii of the cables? Special solutions are needed. Due to this, we developed this adapter plate with our customer, which will be installed directly into the wagon wall. Furthermore, we integrated directly the bulkhead mounting housing, where the customer can screw in directly the contact inserts. Furthermore, he needs only one cutout instead of, in this case, 4. So this solution effectively increases the distance between the wagon walls, while optimizing space and time saving.
That's a very smart solution. What if, for the space-saving reason, a standard distribution box can't be used? Do we get some solutions here too?
Yes, Luis, let's go to the next sample. Have a look here. In addition to the jumper cables, distribution boxes are the interfaces on the roof or an underfloor area. Due to the structural conditions of the vehicles, also here special requirements could be needed. Based on the customer specifications, HARTING can manufacture and design fully assembled and tested solutions. And because we are authorized in accordance to the EN 15085 certification level seal 2 for the welding parts, we can even be more flexible, react on customer solutions. So if the customer needs a small, medium or large distribution box, he will get from us a tailor-made plug-and-play solution.
Perfect. Distribution boxes on the roof are usually equipped with jumper cables for the connection. I can imagine that somewhere there are some special requirements we have to keep an eye on.
Yes, Luis, let's go to our last sample over here and have a look what we have here. Many different parameters have to be taken into account for roof construction. The limiting factors are the space to the bellow from the gangway and the bottom, and also the clearance gauge to the top to the overhead power line. So we developed a holding system which allowed horizontal guidance of the jumper cable. The retaining arm has 3 pivot points, allowing the arm to adapt to any track curve situation. Thanks to this design, reliable and durable cable routing of the jumper cable is ensured. We are able to prove this by simulating the track routing with our in-house robot, test robot. Looks like this.
Thank you, Malte. So, that was an overview of our solutions in the area of jumper cables. If we have aroused your interest, feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to support you and your next project, whether it's an optimization or it's a completely new design of a solution.